Time now for Travel Talk.
Utah's Department of Transportation is ramping up their summer construction plans. New repairs start this weekend on I-15 and I-215 in Salt Lake County. Then next week, construction begins on I-80 in Tooele County. Joining us on Zoom to share what drivers can expect is UDOT's Zach Whitney. You know, Zach, it feels like just yesterday we were talking about how UDOT just barely finished Mountain View Corridor, and now we have a whole batch of new projects starting up tomorrow.
Yeah, we got a lot of projects going on, and so unfortunately that means that there are going to be impacts. We have a few coming up that we just wanted to make sure that people were aware of going into the weekend and starting next week. The first one that we're going to make people aware of is on I-215, where we have some pavement repairs going on. So starting tonight, we have two different crews repairing pavement on I-215 and I-15 in Salt Lake County. So on the I-215 westbound, southbound drivers should plan for heavy delays between 4700 south and 5400 south. So we'll have the freeway down to one lane, one southbound lane in that area. Fortunately, we will have the shoulder open for drivers to use as well. But if at all possible, you should avoid this section of freeway this weekend because these restrictions will be in place 24 hours a day through Monday morning. And
so what are they doing on the road right there you mentioned?
So this is for pavement repairs. They're going in and replacing some of those pavement sections. So it is something that is a little bit more extensive where we have to go in and close those lanes and shift everyone over while we make those repairs.
Okay, so you're seeing some of the road repairs happening there, I-15, I-215, and then of course you're going to funnel people down to a couple of lanes because of that. I know you've got another project with I-80 as well that you're keeping an eye on.
Yeah, so that's in Tooele County. We're planning to close I-80 for several nights starting next week. So first, westbound I-80 will close for 3 nights starting Monday. Those are overnight closures, so that's from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. each night. So the westbound lanes will be closed between SR 36 at Lake Point and exit 88 at Burmster Road, north of Grantsville. So all traffic will be detoured off I-80 onto SR 36 and then back onto the freeway via SR 138. It's about a 20-mile detour, so it will add several minutes of travel time if you're going west. So once those westbound closures are done, then crews will switch to the eastbound lanes on I-80. So that'll again be from exit 84 to Burmster Road on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday next week. So westbound Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, eastbound Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
There you go. There's a lot to unpack right there. In fact, we've got a graphic here for people at home who just kind of want to get a recap of what you just mentioned. So you've got those pavement repairs, I-15 and I-215, roughly in that Taylorsville area in Salt Lake County. And then as you just mentioned, I-80 in Tooele County. And that one chunk right there coming out of Tooele will close for oscillating nights next week, where you see some of the detours affecting drivers for bridge construction. Zach Whitney here from UDOT. Thanks for checking in with us and letting us know what we can expect coming up here.
Of course, anytime.
You bet. Thank you.